While the video was playing, I went and got the mini split install guide because my favorite thing about mini split install guide is evacuation. So I was trying to find that real quick because they give you a lot of great information in here. All right, evacuation instructions. 1. Connect the charge hose of the manifold gauge to the service port on the outdoor unit's low pressure valve. And just imagine this is a mini split, so it has the one connection that's 5/16 instead of a 1/4 inch. Connect another charge hose from the manifold gauge to the vacuum pump. All right, so far so good. Open the low pressure side of the manifold gauge. Keep the high pressure side closed. So they're telling you to use manifold gauges. So I bet you guys be like, this is wrong, man. Number 4, turn on the vacuum pump to evacuate the system. All right, great. So far so good. Number 5, run the vacuum for at least 15 minutes or until the compound meter reads minus 76 centimeters or negative 10 pascals. So, close the low pressure side of the pump. That's the whole thing right there. Close the low pressure side of the manifold gauge and turn off the vacuum pump. Wait 5 minutes and check that there has been no change in system pressure according to your analog gauge. So for all the stuff that they have in these things, I mean, I guess... And the thing would be, is it for homeowners? Is it just a homeowner deal? But I mean, you got a vacuum pump. Homeowners don't even own vacuum pumps, typically, unless they go get that Harbor Freight one. But I mean, run it for 15 minutes, and that's it, basically, for the vacuum. And it seems like every mini split I've ever done has had the same instructions in it.